Hello and welcome back to the course on Tableau. And finally, Tableau 10 is out, and today we're looking at the features, or in this whole section, we're looking at the new features of Tableau 10. Now, Tableau 10 has lots of great and outstanding features. They've changed the colors, they've added fonts, so you can optimize your dashboards to different devices. There's support for Android devices. Lots of new features and powerful techniques have been introduced. However, in my view, there are three main new features that are super ultra powerful, and those three are the ones we're going to focus on inside this section. Of course, we're going to talk about many more, but these three are the ones that I would like to make sure that you're 100% comfortable with, and that after completing this section, you can honestly put them into your data science arsenal, because those are the three that will make the difference, that will put you ahead of the competition, that will make you shine, make you more valuable than somebody else who also knows Tableau, because you're going to be ahead of the game. You are going to know how to use these features very well. And also this whole challenge that we're doing in this section is going to be based on these features. We're going to be using these three features to solve the challenge along with the other features. All right, so let's talk about them. What are the three main features? Number one, you can build your own custom territories in Tableau 10. Very incredibly powerful. If you've worked with maps in Tableau 10 and kind of like odd type of weird maps, then you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Previously, you'd have to do some geohacking. I had to do that once. It's not fun. You have to actually go and play around with certain files and create these custom geocoded files, upload them into Tableau. I literally hacked Tableau. You had to hack Tableau to get these maps in there so that you could create things like this, different regions like this that don't actually exist, that are only specific to your challenge. Previously, it was very painful and tedious. Now, this image is not showing. Now it's much easier to do, and we will find out in this section of a course how to. I hope you're excited about that. It'll be a great tool to have. Moreover, we will look at two separate methods of creating custom maps, custom territories in Tableau. That's right, we'll look at two methods, not just one, two different methods how to create custom territories in Tableau 10. Very powerful feature. It will definitely come in handy if you work with maps in Tableau. All right, feature number two. Uncover patterns in your data with Tableau 10's clustering feature. So another ultra useful technique. So they've got some examples here. They're just creating some clusters over there. There's clusters on a map. Then there's just some clusters inside on scatter plots combined with a map. So it's a powerful technique. It allows you to understand how your data is grouped and identify groups in your data that aren't just visually evident. So we'll see that in this section. We'll see when we can visually identify a group, and then Tableau will confirm that for us, and then we'll refine our clustering, and we will challenge Tableau to create clusters from more data than we can see, and it will do that for us, and you will see some very powerful insights from that. Very good technique to have at just by your side, to use at any point in time, because it's a great advantage. Because previously, in order to run clustering analysis or create clusters, you would have to attach tools like R to your analysis, or maybe create the clusters elsewhere and then import them into Tableau. Now they've incorporated this methodology inside Tableau, so it's as easy as everything else. It's just drag and drop, and you have a ultra sophisticated tool that is working for you in the background, and it's just giving you the results which you can use right away in your analysis. We'll see how powerful that is inside this section as well. All right, so I hope you're very excited about that already. So we've got two super powerful tools. We've looked at maps, and now we've looked at clustering, and now we've got another tool in the third realm in the space of data connections. Integrate your data with cross-database joins in Tableau 10. Yes, we can finally do it. Remember back in the day, before Tableau 10, you couldn't connect data sets from different sources. So for instance, if you had a data set from a Excel file and a SQL database, the only way to combine them would be to create a blend. And same thing goes for Excel and CSV, for example, and lots of examples here. They've got SQL and MySQL. And before you'd have to create a blend in order to combine those data sets. And now they've changed it. Now you can actually combine data sets from different data sources, no problem. Of course, there are still some restrictions, but they're very specific. There are only some databases that you can't connect with. But for most applications, there is now a connection that you can create joins, not just blends. You can create joins, and before you start your analysis, even if your data is coming from different data sources. If you've worked on some projects where data does come from different sources, you will know and appreciate how useful this new feature will be to you. So I'm super excited about this one as well. It's a big step forward for Tableau. It has been a long time coming, and it's finally here. We can create cross-database joins. So there you go. Those are the three main features that we'll be focusing on. Those are the three most powerful features that you have to know about to leverage the full power of Tableau 10. And we will cover them off very thoroughly inside this section of the course, and you'll be entirely comfortable by the end of it. And moreover, we will solve a real business challenge for a startup inside this section of the course using these techniques and some other ones of Tableau 10. Super excited about this. It's going to be fun. Can't wait to see you on the first tutorial. And until next time, happy analyzing.